Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your browser and account are ready. Sign into Chrome with the Google account you want to store passwords in, and enable sync for passwords so entries sync across devices. Once done, update Chrome through Help about Google Chrome to avoid compatibility issues. Then open Settings, navigate to Autofill, and choose Passwords. That brings you to the Password Manager screen, where you can begin turning features on and adjusting basic options. Now you enable the core controls. Toggle on Offer to save passwords so Chrome prompts when you sign in, and decide if auto sign-in suits your workflow for one-click logins. Make sure to use Chrome's password generator when creating accounts. It produces strong, unique credentials. You should also review Manage Passwords or Never Saved Sites to add exceptions, and enable authentication to view saved passwords so only you can reveal them. These steps secure and streamline. Finish by testing. Sign into a website and confirm Chrome offers to save the password, then test auto sign-in on a second site. Make account security robust by enabling two-step verification for your Google account, and if you want an offline copy, export passwords to a secure file. If you don't see options, first update Chrome and confirm sync is enabled, then clear cache, restart the browser, or sign out and back in. That troubleshooting tip resolves most missing feature issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.